Alrighty, good morning guys. Well, wheat harvest is in full swing at the moment. We've been having some cool dewy mornings, so it's taken us a while to get going in the morning, but that's just the way it goes. And I haven't cleaned my lens. Sorry about that. So yeah, while it's nice and cool and damp this morning, I'm going to head up and get the header ready, just get the morning routine out the way, get some fuel in it, hit a few grease nipples, blow it down, blah blah blah, and yeah, then we're going to have some trucks to load, I think, and shift some bins and into it. What are you doing, boy? I almost forgot before I head up there, I've got my new radiator cap, so I better take some coolant and my radiator cap with me. Now for one of the most important things before you do your pre-morning maintenance. What way is the wind going? Keep all the chaff off you. Well, I am just about done here. I've just got to hit a couple of grease nipples at the front, and I just got to put my new radiator cap on and top up the coolant, but it's windy and I forgot a funnel, so I'm not going to do that right now. I'll just do that when I come back up. But yeah, we'll just I got a couple of grease nipples to hit on the front here, and then we're just about good to go. Better not forget that. Well, I tell you, I do prefer to try and blow the header down at night. That means it's pretty chaff free in the morning. You can have a good look over everything, grease anything that you need to. And it also means you're not itchy all day. Well, I'm feeling like it might be time for a little bit of brekkie while we wait for it to warm up a bit. Alrighty, I'm fed. Need to drag this auger up the back road here to the other bin where I'm harvesting so we can outload some trucks. And then we're going to have to move some more bins. I think the gate to my beans is open too. Hopefully they don't go in there. Moving sheep, moving bins. Well, while he's loading, might as well put this radiator cap on. Top up some coolant. Is that even the right part? I think it is. They look totally different. So either that's broken off, the spring, at some point, and nobody ever replaced it, or it's a different part and they've changed it, or I've got the wrong part. But anyway, alright, that should be good. Happy days. Busy farming.
I know that, again, they've said if you rebound for him,
always amazes me. I cleaned these a week ago on the inside completely. Look how dirty they are already. So this will be just a bit of an update on how things are going, I guess, since we changed over to wheat the other day and I made that video. I was sort of saying as we were going through the paddock that everything was going pretty well and yields were about where I was expecting them to be. Yields are probably slightly above overall where we thought we'd be. We were hoping for around 4 tonne per hectare. This stuff's been going perhaps slightly above that, so that's a pleasant surprise. The only problem is that the grain quality has been very, very hit and miss. So I've had one load basically was chook food. That's the best way of describing it. It was went SFW1, that's the grade, and that's about an $80 deduction per tonne, $70 to $80 deduction off what I've been getting on some of the other loads. So that side of it's a bit disappointing and a bit frustrating, how you can have a load from one paddock go a grade that is worth $400 roughly a tonne, and then you have another one go a grade that's worth $325, $330. So look, can't complain at the end of the day because the yields are definitely above average for us, so that's, you know, we're happy about that. I'm really happy about that. It's just Mother Nature just, you know, it gave us a decent year, but it also took a bit away, a bit of the cream off top. So, you know, that's the trade that we're in though, aren't we? So we just got to go roll with the punches and take it as it comes. Anyway, guys, let's get harvesting. Only 12.2 hectares left to go in here, and then another big move, about a whole K1.5 down the road into the next paddock. Say hello.
It's hot.
Come for a header ride. Header rides are the best rides.
No pants. No pants, header ride. Whoa, where are we? Oh, look. Brains. Of course you want a yummy yummy. Snacks alive.
Turn into a snack soon.
How about Dad? Have you got a yummy yummy for Dad?
Thank you.
Oh, no pressing the button. She's like, No driving. The tractor's driving itself. Oh. Go on, you show everyone the grain going in the front. Oh. Yeah, wow. What's that? Every time we see a truck or we drive past there's a tractor or a truck.
Yeah.
Daddy! You want to go to Daddy? Hello.
See ya. Don't cut your legs on the stubble. You say bye. Alright, just got to move this chassis bin over so I can continue onward. That's full. Might as well see what sort of a job we're doing while I'm out here. pretty damn amazing, I think. It looks pretty decent, the sample in here, like the grain looks good, but it's not yielding as well as the other paddocks I've been in. I'm not sure why. Might have a touch of frost, maybe it's the soil type, not too sure, but it's not bad, put it that way. Yeah, there's 176 tonne of ASW, 176.26. Yep. Yep, ready when you are. Alright, I'll jump on now and transfer it. I was about to turn around and go back into the crop, and I thought, let's get this juicy guy out of here. There was a spider crawling down my arm then. Alright, we are down to our last couple of hectares here. Not much to go. We're going to pack up and shift over to the next paddock after this. I was sort of thinking that we'd just continue pushing on, but it's a Sunday afternoon, our local Christmas pageant is on, and I want to take my little girl to the pageant. So we've decided that we're just going to call it a day. The weather forecast is clear. There's no bad weather on the horizon, so you know what? We've been pushing pretty hard for the last week. We're going to have the afternoon off and have a bit of R&R time. So just about done here, move, and then knock off time. Beautiful. Well, there she is, ladies and gentlemen. We are about done for the day. And just in the nick of time, everything's pretty well full up and my truck has arrived. Bah! Have a look at all this barley. This paddock was sown for feed, and literally all of it is shooting from the bottom again. Crazy. It's like the second coming of this barley. Unreal. Can't believe just all of it is starting to try and reshoot. Unbelievable. Fun fact while I'm waiting for my ride here. This house over here, this old house, now Dad is one of 5 kids, 4 sisters. All 4 of his sisters, I believe, were born in this house over here. After that they bought the house over the other side where we are now, and yeah, that's just an old rundown nothing these days. Alright guys, I'm on my way back home. We are having an early minute today. Thank you very much for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Take it easy. Have a good one. We'll see you next time.